Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bot website. First, clearly define your bot's purpose and who it's for. This initial step is crucial for guiding all subsequent decisions, ensuring your bot serves a specific need effectively. Next, select a suitable platform or framework that aligns with your technical skills and project requirements. Finally, outline the core features and functionalities your bot will offer to users. Once your plan is solid, it's time to build. Choose a programming language or framework that best suits your bot's complexity and your team's expertise. Focus on designing an intuitive user interface that makes interacting with your bot simple and enjoyable. Don't forget to integrate any necessary APIs and third-party services to enhance your bot's capabilities and data access. Before going live, rigorous testing is essential. Thoroughly test all of your bot's functionalities to catch any bugs or issues, ensuring a smooth user experience. Once confident, deploy your bot to a reliable hosting service that can handle your expected traffic. After launch, continuously monitor its performance and actively gather user feedback to identify areas for improvement. A successful bot requires ongoing attention. Regularly update your bot with new features and improvements to keep users engaged and your bot relevant. Analyze user data and interaction patterns to understand how people are using your bot and identify ways to enhance their experience. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you. Your support helps us create more helpful content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.